Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of desktop on the application of eBay. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about eBay app. In this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that we click on Play Store. You will search about eBay app. Then here you will uninstall your app and you will install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and